What's up guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. In this video I would like to show you the most profitable strategy that I've ever seen and backtested on this channel. This strategy works with only two indicators, so it is very simple to start with, and I would say we will start right away with the setup of the indicators. The first indicator that we need is the QQE threshold indicator by Jose5770. Sorry, now I have type it in twice, we only need it once. And let's make some changes in the settings. So at the inputs, we want to uncheck these two plots as well as the bar color. Then we want to uncheck all of the three levels as well as the H-line background. So this is how it will look in the style. And in the input, we will change the RSI length from 14 back to 3. Click on OK, and this is the first indicator. As the second indicator, we go to the X trend indicator. The second indicator that we need is the extreme trend indicator by this person here. So let's load it in. And also we are going to do some changes here. So we change the colors. The color 1 will be green. Color 2 is going to go red. We uncheck the 200 EMA and we uncheck both shades and click on OK. And with this setting, we are good to go. And yeah, I would say now we dive deep into the strategy to see how it works. So for a long trend, we need the following setup. So first, we want this line changes from red to green. So line changes from red to green. Second, we want a green candle next, or the following candle has to be a green candle. So green candle after line color change. And the third thing is that this indicator, the QQE indicator, has to be above the 0 level over here. So QQE above the 0 level. And these are all the three things that has to be valid to enter a long trade. So you can see over here, we have all of these three things valid. So the line changes here, we have a green candle, and the QQE is also in the positive area. So we can enter our trade here. We set our stop loss right below the line, and we have a risk reward ratio of 1 to 2 or 2 to 1. And this is how we enter a long trade. For a short trade, we have the same signals, only in the opposite direction. So for a short trade, first the line changes from green to red. Second, we need a red candle after line change. And as the third, we need the QQE indicator has to be below the 0 level. So you can see it is pretty straightforward. And here we have all of the three steps has been given. So we can enter our short trade here, or here it is more likely that it happens here. And the same stop loss applies. So our stop loss is here right above the line. The risk reward ratio will be 2.0. I just keep it over here, and as you can see, we got rid of it within approximately 2 minutes. So yeah, 2% on the capital that you invest has been made back, which is a very good ROI. And I would say, as always, we are going to start now with the backtest, and I will test it again 100 times. This time I will invest 2% of my capital. So when we make a loss, we will lose 2% of the capital, and when we make a win, we will make 4% of our capital back. And I would say we will start now with the backtest, and I'm very looking forward to the results. Alright guys, so the backtest is now completed, and as you can see, the result is absolutely insane. We have generated a profit of 1851%, which is at 18.5x within, I think it was 4 days. So let's assume we can get our 15x in an average within 1 week, and this is just insane. I mean, you can do the math by yourself, what this would mean when you do this every day, every week, and then multiply it by 5, 6, 7, or even 8 months, then the result is just insane. So we have managed to get a total trades of 100. From the 100 trades, we had 84 wins and only 16 losses. We have an average profit of 4% and the average loss of 2%. The maximum consecutive wins were 12 wins in a row, and we only had 2 consecutive losses in a row. So in my opinion, this strategy is the best strategy that I've ever seen in my life. And yeah, I would say this was it for the video today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please write down in the comments what you think about this strategy, if you would do it by your own. And otherwise, I think we will see us back tomorrow in the next video with the next strategy. So see you soon.